Okay, hi everybody. This question says that during a clearance sale, all video games are sold at one price and all CDs are sold at another. So Kara here paid $160 for 3 games and 11 CDs. Okay, now I'm going to see in a couple minutes here that that's an equation. Abram here paid $159 for 6 games and 3 CDs. Now, sorry, kind of losing control there. We want to figure out the cost of each item. So this is the unknown here. We want to figure out the cost of each item. So let's let, again, we'll use X and Y because it's just easy. Let's let X be the cost of a, what we got there, video game. And we'll let Y be the cost of a CD. Now, Kara here paid $160. She bought 3 video games and 11 CDs. And she had to pay $165. Well, there's my first equation. Abram paid $159 for 6 games and 3 CDs. Okay. Now, there's really not a whole lot that I can do in terms of simplifying. No, there really isn't. I mean, I could simplify this equation by dividing by 3, but then I'm going to have to end up multiplying by like a little bit more complicated constant there. So you know what? I'm just going to leave it like this. This is set up really quite nicely for elimination. All I got to do is multiply this first equation by 2, and then I can get rid of the x's here. So let's do that. So we're going to take 2 times the first equation. Okay, so 2 times the first equation is going to be 6, whoops, sorry, I don't want to write equals there. I don't want that to be confusing. 6x plus 22y, okay, is going to equal, okay, 165 times 2, just make sure I do that right, is 330. Then I've got equation 2 here, and I didn't do anything to equation 2. Now, because the coefficients of x are the same, and they've got the same sign, what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract. So 6x minus 6x, okay, is going to be 0. I mean, it just goes away, right? So that's the beautiful thing. That's why we're getting rid of the x's here. Now, I know a lot of people don't like getting rid of the x. You'd rather get rid of the y here. But in this case, it was just too nice not to do that. 22 minus 3 is going to be 19. And then we've got 330 minus 159. I'll just do my calculator over here. They get 171. That's kind of an ugly looking number there. I'm hoping that it is divisible by 19, and in fact it is. Y is equal to 9. This is great. So now, to figure out how many video games, how much each video game is, because this tells me that the CDs are $9, I might take this back and go back up into one of the originals. I'd probably go into the second equation here. So if I plug this into the second equation, I'm going to get 6x plus 3 times 9 is equal to 159. So what is that? 6x plus 27 is 159. 159 minus 27 is going to be 132. If I divide that by 6, I get that x is 22. So therefore, video games, okay, whoops, you can't see that. Video games are going to be $22, and CDs are $9. That's what we were looking for.